Hi guys, welcome back with me again in this channel. In this video, I'm going to show you how to create Facebook account on laptop or computer. If you want to join Facebook using your laptop or your computer, this is the step-by-step beginner's guide to creating a Facebook account fast and easy. So you can just open your browser and go to this page, facebook.com. And then click on create a new account. It's right below the login boxes, and in here you can just fill in your first name, last name, date of birth, gender, mobile number or email address, and then password. So make sure your info is real and you'll need to recover your account later. And after that, after you fill all of this data, you can just tap on sign up. And then you can check your email or SMS for the confirmation code. Enter the code on Facebook to activate your account. And once you're in, you can add a profile picture, write a bio, and start adding friends. And welcome to Facebook. Easy, right? Now you are officially on Facebook from your laptop. Hit like, subscribe, and click on thanks. Bye!